JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Oanda trading platform. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So here we want to press start trading in the oanda.com. So here it's going to auto detect your own country. So if you live in your certain country, press that and then confirm and continue. So you'll have to place your personal details, your citizenship, home address, employment, and verify your identity. It's a very long process, but you're trading in Forex, so you have to deal with this. So you'll have to place your last name, your given name, your date of birth, so let's just say um, 5 and then May and 2000. So here you'll place the country of your birth, so let's just say there, your email address, your phone number, and then continue, confirm and continue. So let's just place a random one. So there you go. So we have a random phone number. Let's choose our citizenship. So are you a tax resident in another country? So let's just press no. So what is your residential address? So let's just place like this. And then we'll place, there you go. And then confirm and continue. And then your employment status if you're self-employed. Your job title. So let's just say we are an educator. So professional. So here the industry that we're working on, services, IT, technology. So we have our financial details, of course, annual income in USD. So let's just say we do 10,000 to 15,000. So here's source of income and your savings. And then confirm and continue from there. And then confirm and continue again. So this is going to be verify your identity so the details will match. So there you go. And now you have your own Oanda trading platform right here. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and of course don't forget to subscribe.